Hello friends, welcome to the new series of Xero. So Xero is basically accounting system. Okay, so how we are going to integrate the Xero using the auth 2 with the help of the Node.js. So let's begin that tutorial. So we have a connect.0. Before this we have to create an account over it. Okay, so let's start with it. So there is a sign in Xero account. So I'm going to add my email. So let's add phone, location, any of the location you can choose. Whereas India, not. Next confirmation. Okay, let's see. Email is passing or not. So I'm confirming the email address on my phone. It asking for the password. So I'm adding the password here. Activate my account. So it's activating now. So it's done. Let's go to this login. Login. Let's add password. Sign in. Now we are logged in. Okay, so this account has been created. Let's add the business name. Industry washing. India December. No, it's just me. Start trial. So we are logged in with the dashboard. Okay, this is the first step that we are on board with the account. Okay, so be with me for the next video where we are going to learn about the contacts and the invoices. Okay, how to create a developer account, how to make a note on the Node.js, how to integrate with the Node.js, everything on the next video. Be with us. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share, and comment. This is the introduction on about the Xero. What is Xero? This is a base. This is same as the Zoho one, and for the invoicing, contacts maintenance, everything that you can maintain over it. Okay, so it's basically used in the like you can foreign countries like US, UK. So that's very important for now. If your client says something about this one, so that this is there where you are coming, this is the best one place where you can learn about how to create contacts, how to create invoices, how to send emails, everything you will get to know about in this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this. Have a great day.